So how can advertisers purchase out-of-home advertising? The basic purchase unit is 100 GRPs per day or 100 showing per day. For less saturated area, sometimes you can also purchase by 75 or 50 or 25 showing. So here's a question: what does 100 GRP per day actually mean? Well, we know GRP stands for gross rating point, so it's a rating or percentage. 1 GRP means the message will reach 1% of the market's population. For example, if your market has 10,000 people, 1% will be 100 people reached. So 100 GRPs or 100 showing means 100% of the total population. Is that really what it means? As you can guess, if the message will reach 100 GRP, this means the message will have to appear on as many different panels as necessary to theoretically reach the market's total population, which is 100%. So here's a question: if an outdoor advertisement delivers 75 GRP per day, what will the message weight be after 30 days of advertising? Well, the answer is pretty simple, because we know on an average day you can reach 75% of the total population. After 30 days, you can just multiply 75 by 30 days, you get 2,250 GRPs. So that's way beyond the total population, because you actually reach more than just 100% of your target market. So how can we measure the actual gross rating points or showing on average day to make sure we reach 100% of the total population? Well, actually there is an organization which is called OAAA, Outdoor Advertising Association of America. So this organization sets the standards for measuring the reached people on average day for outdoor advertising. The first definition is called Daily Estimated Circulation, DEC, to measure the reach of outdoor advertising. So DEC means Daily Estimated Circulation. It calculates the average number of people passing by an outdoor advertisement on an average day. This is the first used term by this organization. However, this term has its shortcoming, because we know even though many people may passing by an advertisement, not everyone will be able to see it. So in this case, it's not really that accurate, which is why they introduced another term, Eyes on Impressions, EOI. So EOI does not just calculate the total number of people passing by, we also consider many other factors, such as the size of the display, and also the advertisement's angle to the road, street type, distance from a road, formats, and other things like lighting, right? So which is why EOI can be more accurate, because it actually counts the total number of people who actually see the ad during a period of time. An example would be a billboard on a highway. So we know every day there's a lot of traffic, cars passing by a specific billboard on the highway. But if the billboard is only facing one way, which means only the car traffic on one side can see it. On the other side, they may not be able to see it because it's in the opposite direction. So which is why EOI, when they use this term to calculate traffic passing by a specific billboard, they will only calculate cars on one way. Here's the question: as an advertiser, you want to make sure you can reach as many people as you need it to. So any kind of advertiser, they want to reach this what we call message saturation, which means you want to reach more people. So how can we do that as an advertiser? Well, there's two ways to do that. The first way, increase the number of posters, billboards, outdoor displays the more the better. But the thing is, this is probably not the most convenient way, because you don't want to set up too many advertisements. It costs a lot of labor, and the material cost will also increase. So another way would be purchase a better location with a lot of traffic. So this is actually a better way, because if you just put a few posters and also a few billboards in one location, you can reach many people in a very short period of time. So which is why for outdoor advertising, the most important factor is location, because location pretty much decides how many people you can reach in a shorter period of time. It will decide the costs for outdoor advertising. In a highly populated area, the rate's gonna go high because there's more people. The proper rental, labor costs, and market size will also increase with the better location. Which is why you can see in Times Square, because it's highly populated area, there's a lot of billboards, spectacular setup. Even though in highly populated area, the rate's gonna go up, still outdoor advertising is the most cost-efficient way to advertise your product or company, because it actually costs less money to reach 1,000 people compared to many other media platforms such as TV, radio. So in this case, a standard billboard usually offers the lowest CPM among all different mass media.